never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Guys, look, I'm in my jumper. I'm in Amsterdam. I'm in Amsterdam waiting for a flight to London. Yeah, I'm going to London, guys. I'm going to London because my grandma has passed away. So, of course, I'm going to be with the family and go to the funeral. So, I'm in Amsterdam on my way to London, guys. So, yes. Yeah. So I flew from Jamaica to Amsterdam, and then I've got a connecting flight straight to London. Guys, it's 6 degrees. Look, this is all I've got. A jumper. It's 6 degrees. When I left Jamaica yesterday, it was about 32 degrees, 31, 32. It's 6 degrees. I don't have a coat, so I ordered a coat in UK, and I just asked my mum to bring it straight when she picks me up. I'll have to meet her at the train station, but she's going to bring it for me. 6 degrees, guys. Oh my gosh, yes. But yeah, Vlogmas day 1, and I'm on my way to London. Yeah, so I'm going to keep you guys up to speed. Of course, Outlaw is back in Jamaica. He will keep you up to speed with what's going on as well. So yeah. Yes, I'm at Schiphol, guys. Schiphol. It is so cold. Yeah, so cold. I'm going to go in and get coffee or something. So yes, guys, I've got Burger King. I bought one of these espressos. I've never had one before. Call me uncultured, but I've never had one of these. Like an instant strong shot of coffee, right? Burger King. I'm gonna try this. Try this. Oh my gosh, it's strong. I'll try it again. Not for me. I like coffee, but that's too strong, man. Might wake me up there. I'm so tired. Look, guys, I'm so tired. So, let me explain really quickly my journey, right? So, I flew on TUI, but not TUI UK. I flew on TUI from Montego Bay to Amsterdam. Okay, and then I booked a flight from Amsterdam to London. Now, I booked it so that by the time I come off the flight from Jamaica to Amsterdam, I would just check in and go straight on my flight from Amsterdam to London. However, the flight came in 2 hours early. Yeah, my flight to Amsterdam came in 2 hours early, so I've got a little bit of a wait before I can check in for my flight to London. So I'm just waiting. Had it come on time, I would have just transferred straight away, one to the other. But better to be early than to be late, right? Yeah, so I'm just currently waiting in Amsterdam airport, waiting to check into my flight to London. Yeah, so that's it. I'll keep you guys up to date. I should have really vlogged from Jamaica, right? I should have vlogged from Jamaica to Amsterdam, but I didn't even think about it, to be honest. But yeah, that's what it is, guys. So guys, I've checked in. I've still got a little bit of a wait. Yeah, I'm in the, departure lounge, and all the shops are. So I'm gonna have a little browse around and then just, get a proper coffee, not that espresso stuff. Get a proper coffee and just have a walk around the shops. Not that I ever buy anything in the hotel, in the airports, because I don't. They're expensive. But just, kill some time, burn some time, right? people, I have landed. Look, I am at Gatwick Airport. Yes. Alright people, I have landed in Gatwick. I'm back in London, officially back in London. It's dark outside, guys, it's dark outside. Now I've got to go and get a train. My mum's going to pick me up. All I want to do is go home, bathe, and go to my bed. That's what I want to do. So yeah, but I'm here, guys. I'm here. Back in London town. Hey everybody. Yes, look guys, big coat on. Oh, it's so cold. So quick update. Yeah, so I landed yesterday, as you would have seen. Guys, when I got home, my heating was not working. It's still not working. So there's something wrong with my thermostat, which means I've got hot water but no heating, which is, can you imagine? So I literally had to stay in one room last night, stayed in my room, and I just had a little blow heater. So that's what I've been using to keep warm. But I haven't got any heating, so yeah, not good. I've called the heating company, yeah, in charge of my boiler and stuff. So I'm just, literally, I called them and they were like, oh, we haven't got any appointments. I was like, listen, what do you mean you haven't got any appointments? It's too cold. You guys got to come out. So she said she's going to escalate it and call me back. So hopefully somebody can come out and sort my heating out, because it's like 6-7 degrees. I've just come from 32-degree temperature, no heating, not good. So I'm just popping up the road to get a few bits real quick. Oh, welcome back to the UK. Yeah. Yes guys, just to top it off, I've just missed the bus. Just missed my bus. So I have to stand up in the cold and wait for the next one. But life goes on, right? Yeah. Still give thanks for another day. Yes.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.